The first step before closing the door is to inspect it and wipe it clean of any dust or debris on both sealing faces. Inspect and clean the O-ring, making sure that the O-ring does not have any cuts, tears, or gouges. Replace it if necessary, making sure to use only a Viton O-ring. Using only a halogenated grease, keep the O-ring lubricated. Remember, only a light coating is needed. To close the door, swing the head of the door to the closed position. It is important to keep the yoke bolts clean and lubricated for rust prevention and easy operation. Next, draw the yoke halves over the head flange by turning the yoke bolts using the chain drive hand wheel until the positioning plate falls over the yoke lugs, indicating the yokes are completely closed. Tighten the lock nut to 15 foot-pounds. It should be just a little bit more than hand tight.